The purpose of this video is to show you how to make city pages on a WordPress blog. When you go to make city pages, the first thing you're going to do is download 3 plugins. I'm going to log into my WordPress site and download the plugins that I need. There are 3 plugins. The first plugin is called Bulk City Landing Pages. And if you don't know how to download plugins, because I've already downloaded them on this website, what you're going to do is you're going to go up to the top here and click Add New. Once you go to the plugin section, come up and click Add New. And now you're going to search for whatever plugin you want. Bulk City Landing Pages. Enter. And then, all you have to do is click Install, and it will install it right for you. And then you activate it. Now, once you have installed all these plugins, you're going to start by using Bulk Press. Now, when Bulk Press is installed, you'll get a little Bulk Press option on the left side menu. What you're going to do is you're going to click on Posts. Oh wait, I'm sorry. I take that back. You're going to click on Terms. Click on Terms, and you're going to make sure that under Taxonomy that you click Category. Now, what this does is this will allow you to add as many categories as you want all at one time. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to create, let's say you're doing Sussex County. You're going to create a parent category called Sussex County. Let's say, for argument's sake, Sussex County Web Design. You're going to create a parent category called Sussex County Web Design, and then you're going to create all these child categories for Sussex County Web Design. So let me just go through that real quick for you. To create the parent category, you go to Posts, click Categories, and then add a new category, Sussex County Web Design. And leave this empty, the slug empty, parent none, description none, add that category. Okay? Then what you're going to do is you're going to go find all the Sussex County towns or municipalities, whatever you want, really. Let's see, Sussex County, Sussex. Here you go. And you're just going to copy this into a new Word document, or a notepad document. I do apologize. Here you go. And then you're going to get rid of those bullets. I know you already know this, so I just have to go through it. And then you're going to make sure that they're all, web design. And then you have these here. Cool. Now you're going to go back to your WP admin, and now you're going to go to Bulk Press, go to Terms. Then you're going to make sure the taxonomy is on categories. Now you're just going to enter 1 per line. So boom, I just copy and paste them in there. And then what I want to do is I want to add these to the parent category that I just created called Sussex County Web Design. So all I have to do now is click Add Terms, and I've just created all those categories. Now, if I go back to Posts and then Categories, I can see them. Obviously, I have a billion trillion categories over here. But if I find one I want, which is probably a ways down, Middlesex County. All right, we're getting to the S's. We're getting close. All right, here we go. Sussex County Web Design. As you can see, here's the parent category, and then this little hyphen here means it's a subcategory. So it created all these categories for me. Now we move on to part two. Part two is dealing with the bulk city landing pages. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to settings and then go to bulk city landing pages. Now this is the city text field. And what you're going to do is you're going to list one city per line. You could do Athens, Georgia. You don't need the comma there. Actually, don't put the comma there. The example is bad. I say don't even put the state. Just put the town. So you're going to go back to your notepad and you're just going to get rid of all that web design stuff. And you're just going to copy those towns and put them right in here. All right. Now, parent page, none. Page template, blog. Page title. Now, PB City, this little short code called PB City, which is also down here, PB City, you can copy and paste it. Everywhere your article says PB City is where the town is going to be. So, let's just do, for example, the title of each one would be PB City Web Design. If web design was your focus keyword, whatever your focus keyword or key phrase is, you know the deal. All right, so when it comes to page contents, you need to create a new page. So go to new. Actually, it could be a post. Create a new post, and what you're going to do is you're going to create a post, and after you create your post, in WordPress, right? You have a post here. Oops, I didn't want to copy that over. So this is my post for NJ Soapstone that I was working on before, but let's say you're doing it on web design. So you're going to create your post in here as you would if you were just creating any old post. The reason you create it in here is because this plugin can only take HTML. So any picture you use, any H2 headings and all that, unless you feel like going through the HTML, which you don't want to do, especially for images, you just want to do it in the WordPress word editor and then just come over to the text section and then select all, and you're just going to copy and paste that right into here. All right. Now, as you go through here, right, you're going to take this PB City and you're going to put it everywhere that you deem fit. For example, in every H2 tag, I'm going to put PB City. Another thing, make sure that like up here, Andover Borough, Andover Township, these things don't necessarily have to be here. And make sure all the towns are capitalized the way that you want them to be. So anyway, you're going to put PB City everywhere that you see fit. So, PB City Natural Durable Soapstone. And then in your actual published article, it would be Andover Borough Natural Durable Soapstone, Branchville Natural Durable Soapstone, Byram Natural Durable Soapstone, and so on. So you would put that everywhere. I'd say even in the first paragraph, soapstone is the fastest growing all natural stone choice for countertops in the United States today. Why not put PB City soapstone? Why not? Add that key phrase everywhere where it makes sense, and especially in every first sentence and every H2 tag, you need to put it in, because that's what's keeping us from getting duplicate content. So you can put it in anywhere you want, but make sure that you put it in the H2 headers, the title, and the first and last paragraph. So that link, to the home page that we always put on the bottom, make sure that, that link says PB City Soapstone Countertops homepage. And for more information about, PB City Soapstone Countertops and why you should choose them over granite, make sure that that first, last paragraph, all the H2s, H3s, all the links have the PB City, because we really don't want to get duplicate content. We're like dancing right on the line here, but JB Flooring, they only had like 250 indexed pages last month, and now they're already up to 484 after a month. So it's obviously working, and they're not getting penalized. And I just went over the reports with them, and they have first place ranking for tons of things that they didn't even have at all last month. So it's obviously working well. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to click Create Pages. Boom. Create the pages. That's cool. All right, so now what you're going to do, this is the third step. You're going to use the plugin Vice Versa. So this is step 3. You're going to go to Pages, All Pages, and then I say that you select by the date. This is usually the easiest to find the pages that you want. So you're going to filter December 2015, and as you can see, you've created drafts of all the pages. There's actually 2 pages of drafts. So cool. I think that's cool. And if you don't think it's cool, then screw you. The third step is using Vice Versa. What Vice Versa does is it changes pages into posts and posts into pages. How cool is that? So you're going to go to Tools, Vice Versa. And then what you're going to do is you're going to find all the pages that you've just done, which are probably going to be on the very last page. Or maybe not. Let's see. We can search by the date. That's cool. December 2015. Okay, maybe we have to use number date. Okay. Oh, page to post. That's why. I'm sorry. The first thing you're going to do once you get to Vice Versa is click Page to Post. Not Post to Page. I am so sorry. Let's see. Oh. Oh. Well, let's just see if we can just put like 200. I'm sorry. What a waste. Okay, here we go. When you search for a date, actually, you're going to have to search for it like in this format. 2015-12-3. I'm going to search for that date. Search. Here we go. Okay. Now, what you can do is you can now select the category that you're going to assign each post to. Now, what you're going to have to do is go through and find, Sussex County web design. And then Alright, you know what? This is not a good way to do it. Yeah, this is not a good way to do it. Okay, scratch that part. What you're going to do is you're going to just select all, bulk actions, convert, apply. And then it successfully converted them to posts in uncategorized. And then you're going to do it again. And then you're going to do it again because there were 3 pages. Okay, now they're all posts. So now what you're going to do is you're going to go to all posts. And, obviously, these are all your new posts right here. And they're all uncategorized. Now, you're going to, basically what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go through each one and add all the data. So what I like to do, and what I suggest that you do as well, is I suggest that you right-click, open a new tab, right-click, open a new tab, right-click, open a new tab, right-click, open a new tab. Do it for all of them, and then just go down the line, and what you're going to do, oh, something to look out for, I accidentally put 2 spaces here, so don't do that. Make sure there's only 1 space, otherwise you'll have to go back and do it again. You're going to have to go through here, and you're going to have to change the permalink to make it say Hampton Web Design. Then you're going to have to select the right category, which we know is Sussex County Web Design, which you're going to select Sussex County Web Design, and then whatever the title is, this is Hampton, for example, then you're going to select Hampton Web Design also. So you want to make sure that you always select the county and the town. And then for the tags, what you're going to do is, it's pretty simple. For the tags, you're going to get, whatever your tags are, and then just find and replace the town. So, just do a simple Google keyword research. Web design, web designer, top web design company, whatever, and then you're going to just find and replace Hampton Web Design, Hampton Web Designer, Hampton Top Web Design Company, blah blah blah. And then same deal down here with the metadata. You're going to do the Hampton Web Design. And what you could do is you could take this title and also find and replace it. So Hampton Web Design bar TJB Web Media. Oh wait, you don't need to do TJB Web Media. I'm sorry, that's already there because of this plugin. But if you're using the Yoast plugin, it's not already there. So make sure it fits, obviously. And then same with the meta description. Just find and replace, your town. And it's that simple, really. And then you just publish each one. Publish each one. Now, after you do this, it's very important that you go back to plugins. Go to install plugins, and you're going to deactivate Bulk City landing pages, and you're going to deactivate vice versa. Now, the reason you're deactivating these plugins is because they're 2 years old, and they could be hacked very easily. But nobody has updated these plugins. So we just have to keep them deactivated when we're not using them. So that is how you make city pages. I am so sorry that this video is so long and that I didn't really know what I was doing, but I hope this helps. All right.